Hello friends, this is Tanishk and welcome back to my channel Easy Learn with Tanishk. I hope you're all doing well and practicing your English listening and speaking skills. I'm also practicing it along with you. So in today's video, we are gonna learn something new. How to describe people in English. We meet people every day, right? And sometimes we want to describe how they look or what their personality is like. So let's learn how to do it properly in English. And yes, I have used some sentences on the right side of the screen for your better understanding. So let's start. So the first is describing their height. When we describe someone's height, we can use words like tall, short, or medium height. For example, my husband is tall and my nephew is short. The second example is my teacher is of medium height. Easy, right? You can also say things like he is quite tall or she's a bit short to sound more natural. So, the second is describing the build or body type. To describe someone's build, we use words like slim, thin, plump, fat, well built, or skinny. For example, my brother is well built because he goes to the gym. Second example, my aunt is overweight but very cheerful. These are polite and neutral ways to describe a person's body. Just make sure not to use them in a way that make the person very bad. Use it kindly, not to make someone feel very sad. Okay. The third is about describing their hair type. Here is one of the most common ways to describe someone. We usually mention the length, style, or the color together. For example, my sister has got strong, straight, medium length, or red hair. Uh, my friend has got curly, short, black hair. My mother has got straight, short, brown hair. You can also say curly, wavy, straight, spiky, or bald. When someone has no hair, actually, we use the word bald. So, instead of saying he has no hair, you should use the word he is bald. It sounds more natural actually. The fourth is describing their eyes and the face. To talk about eyes, we use adjectives like big round blue eyes, small brown eyes, or bright eyes, or narrow eyes, etc. For example, my little brother has got brown eyes. For the face, we can use words like round face, oval face, square face, with scars, uh, with freckles, or with wrinkles. For example, my grandmother has got wrinkles on her face, but she looks very kind. Okay, the sixth one is other facial features. If someone has a beard or mustache, you can say he has got a beard and a mustache. Uh, he is clean shaven. He's a clean shaven, which means he does not have any beard or mustache. For example, Elton John has got blue eyes and wears glasses. So you can combine different features together when describing someone. So the sixth description is about the complexion and the skin tone. To describe complexion, you can use the words like fair, dark, pale, suntanned, or olive skin. For example, I have a pale complexion and hazed eyes. Haze means a mix of green and brown, a very pretty color, right? Now, about describing the personalities, now that we have described the appearance, let's talk about the personality, how a person behaves or feels. Some common personality adjectives are like kind, honest, funny, friendly, uh, helpful, polite, hardworking, lazy, rude, or confident. For example, my best friend is funny and always makes me laugh. Uh, the second is my teacher is very strict, but she is very fair. Remember, your personality matters more than your looks. Now, about the eighth description is how to come. It's not a description actually. I will just suggest you how to combine these descriptions. See, when describing a person, you can mix appearances and personality in one sentence. For example, my father is tall and well built. He is very hardworking and polite. The second is my sister has long curly hair. She is friendly and always smiling. Try describing your own family members this way. It's a great way English speaking exercise. So friends, there were some useful words and sentences to help you describing people's appearances and personality in English. Now your task is to choose any two people in your family or your friends and describe them in English using today's words. For example, my mother has got short black hair. She is kind and caring. My friend is tall and slim. He is very funny and helpful. This will help you remember the words easily. So that's for today's video. I hope you liked today's video and learned something new about how to describe people in English, both their looks and their personality along. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel Easy Learn with Tanishq and share my videos with your friends, family members and colleagues and keep practicing because practice makes you perfect. Now it's time for today's new English word. The word is adjective. It means a word that describe a noun or a person. For example, tall, kind and beautiful are adjective because they describe the people or things. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, stay confident and I will see you in the next video. Bye.